This is the BMW 1 Series E87, the first generation. And what's interesting in these vehicles is that the trunk will only open if your battery is good, because as you may have heard, this button engages the lock, the electric lock, and it will not open the trunk if the battery is dead. But as you also may know, the battery, the 12-volt battery, is located here. So to get to this battery, you will need to open the trunk. And actually how BMW solved this problem, this is a hatchback, so you can easily get into the trunk just by opening the door. And also you can open the door with the metal key. Just insert this metal key here and open the door. And then you can manually open this door by, so you open the driver's door, you just reach the plastic handle here, open this door manually, and now you need to lower the seat just like this, and then you have access to the trunk, and so you can just climb into that trunk and reach this place. So in European cars you will have kind of plastic cover that you need to take out, and here you have the wire, it's plastic wire, so you need to just pull it out when you are in the trunk, and it will open the trunk manually, the trunk door manually. Then just put it back here. In American vehicles you also may have another system to open the trunk from inside. It's more visible because of the safety regulations in the USA. This is how it works in this BMW 1 Series.